Hello guys, Simon Newcombe here. Today I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how to use Kompozer, the HTML editor. So what we do is we would come to Google, type in Kompozer, and it'll be this first one here. It's kompozer.net. So just click onto this one, open up that in a new tab or open up that page, and it brings you to this one here, guys. So it's kompozer.net, and literally it's got Kompozer Easy Web Authorizing. Literally download for Windows. I'm not sure where there is one for Mac, or you'd have to probably just have a look through here somewhere to find one for Mac. If you're using Mac, you may not need it for the Mac. Anyway guys, you just click this, download Kompozer, and it will start downloading through this screen button. 2 or 3 seconds, and then this folder will pop up, and there you go, that pops up. You click this and it will download it to your computer, and then you can open that file up. Let's show you how it works. You download it. Mine downloads to this little arrow here, guys, and then I can just click this and it gives me a little folder. If I click this, it will open up where this folder is, and it's downloaded to here, so it's in a zip file. And all you would do is put that onto your desktop. So if I drop my internet in the background, and there's that folder, guys. Basically take this folder, drag it onto your desktop, or if you download, you may download to your desktop. Close that file out, and then I can right click on this, and I've got a set 7-zip folder thing that will extract files. So then I click that, click OK, and it will extract the files here to my desktop. Okay, so open this file, open this one, and what you need to look for is this one here, guys, kompozer.exe. Double click this and you will get Kompozer open up for you, and that's it, done. Okay guys, that's literally all you do. Once that's on, you can drag and drop this folder onto your desktop, and it will give you this little icon here. So then when you want to open up Kompozer, you just use this to double click and it opens up. Okay guys, that's literally it to get it installed on your computer. I'll move these over, keep them out of the way for a second. Excuse me. Now if we open up Kompozer, this is the screen that you come to, guys. This is the editor here, but what we need to do first is, what I like to do is make a table. So everything is inserted inside the table for your pages. So you come up to here and click Insert, Table, click, and it comes up with these 4 squares. You want 1 square, come to the top of this, slide off of the blue square, come to the top precisely, and then you want to make this about 950, and that will be pixels, and that's the width. Click OK, and it brings up this little box. Click inside the box, come up here, click Centralize, middle one here, so it moves it over. Click Enter a few times, and it brings a page. That brings the page. Now, as you write, guys, and it fills up the page, this will move down anyway, but just to give you a little bit of space, and literally you will type your headline. Hello. Ooh, helps if you can spell, doesn't it? Hello to the world. That's what we can type. Obviously, think of a better headline than that, guys, but just to show you, come to this left click, and drag over with your mouse, highlight it. Come to this yellow, this big A and little a. This is to make the text bigger and smaller. Click, and it will each time you click, it makes the text bigger. So that's where you put your headline, guys. You can bold it, italicize it, underline it, whatever you need to do. If you want to change the colour, you highlight it again, and this little box here, just click and pick a colour. So we'll do that, red. Okay guys, and then click again. And there, once you put your first table in this box and your first headline, you can then come up to here, File, and come down, click it, come down to Save As, and then you want to save this file as something connected to the page. So we'll just put a hello page. Hello page. And now when this saves, guys, what it will do, it will save it as a whatever the title is that you give it, and it'll be .html. Okay, it won't show you that in here, but when it saves, it does. So you click OK. Now it tells you where you want to save that file. So just for demonstration, I shall put it onto my desktop. So click desktop, and see here, look, it's got a hello page HTML. Okay, so click save. Now if I drop this down, you can find it, and there it is, guys. There's your page. Okay, so come back to Kompozer. Once you put all your text in here, guys, then you can save. Just click this button here, which is save, and it will save it to that file. Okay, now inserting an image, you come put your cursor where you want the image, click image. You've got this line here, folder, click the folder. So use this one here, guys, for a little DVD case. Click it, click OK, click don't use alternative text. Now this, guys, is your file name, where you've saved the file on your computer, like the name of it basically. This will not be online. You have to upload this picture online somewhere to be able to put this picture on the page. Okay, guys, so for argument's sake, you leave that as is for a second. You dimensions gives you the actual size of the picture. If you want to change the size, make it smaller, make it bigger, click custom size, click constraints off, and then you can change this one and change this one. If you keep this clicked, if you change the top one, it will change the bottom one automatically for the ultimate size of what the picture will be. Appearance, you got at the bottom, which will be at the bottom of the page. The text will come to the bottom. At the center, if you want to wrap it to the left, picture will go on the left. Sorry, the text will go to the left. To the right, text will go on the right. Okay, so we're going to just centralize that for argument's sake. Okay, yeah. Okay, click OK, and there's your picture. So then the text is going to be off to the right. Okay, guys. Now to put this online, what you would have to do is upload this to your server or to your website, and then find the URL. Okay, guys. So I'll show you that quickly now. If I can get rid of that Kompozer page, and I actually have one of my websites up, which I think I've got the media page up. If you come into your WordPress site, this is the easiest way to do it. You've got media, so you can go to library, and this is where all your files are kept. Your pictures are uploaded to your website. Okay, guys. So to add new, you just click add new, drag and drop the file here, click here, and then find where your picture is, click it and open, and it will bring that into here, guys. So we don't want to do that at the moment because we've done that already. I actually have this online already. So when you've uploaded your picture, you click whatever picture it is, click, and it moves to this attachment details. Okay, now to the right here, guys, is a link just here, URL. If you copy this, highlight it, copy the whole thing, copy, now close that, come back to Kompozer, and if you double click on the image, it will bring up this file again. Okay, guys, and this, where the folder is, if you right click on that and paste that URL into there, that's now into there, it will highlight it, the picture jumps a little bit. That's taken the picture URL. So then you click OK. Now when you upload this page online, this picture will be online. If you do it through your website, that's the way to do it. If you do it through FPT, you have to have the picture into a folder, so it will be in a folder on your desktop that you've saved. So you've got images here, yeah. So all the images would be in this file, and then when you go to the FTP uploader, this folder you would upload, and then all the images would be online, and then you can copy them from your FTP straight into your onto your page, it will automatically be there. Okay, guys, and that's literally it of how to use Kompozer. You can put paper buttons in here, everything, whatever you need to do, text, pictures. You can do complete sales page. You can do squeeze page. If you want to put and get response or Aweber form, you just click, write a few X's, okay guys, and then go down to the source code, click, find them X's, and then when you get your code from get response or Aweber, you literally just highlight these codes, these X's, right click, paste your form code over the top, and then you would go up to here and click save, and it brings you back to the page, and your form will be here. Okay guys, so that's how you capture leads for your email marketing. Okay guys, that's just a quick overview of Kompozer. Okay, cheers. Thanks a lot.